Hey guys, it's Rob, RobAimbinder.com, and tonight we're doing breakfast for dinner on the new Oklahoma Joe Ryder DLX pellet grill. So to make breakfast on the Ryder DLX pellet grill from Oklahoma Joe, we have got the 18-inch skillet installed, and then over to the right on a flex grate I have this 8x8 baking pan, because my plan is to cook the bacon first, then transfer it to keep it warm, and then cook the eggs as kind of a second course, and then everything will be ready for service. So I brought the Oklahoma Joe Ryder Deluxe pellet grill up to temperature, shooting for about 300-ish degrees, and I've loaded most of a package, I'd say 2/3 of a pound of package of bacon, and gotten that started. So you can see how many pieces are there. We'll let that get happy and flip them. Obviously with some left over, I'm going to have to run this in 2 batches. No problem though, because I have this warming area set up, and I know it's going to run hotter, but at least it's a good place to hold it temporarily while we're cooking the rest. Okay, so we're about 5 minutes in, and I just moved some of the almost done bacon to the side to make room for the rest of the batch. This is now 1 pound of bacon on this 18-inch griddle, and when this bacon on the right side is done, I'll move it to the secondary holding position, and then continue to work on the other bacon, and then we'll move on to the next thing as part of our breakfast for dinner, which is some eggs. This is 5 eggs plus a dash of Lowry seasoned salt and like a tablespoon of half and half for some creaminess. So the scrambled eggs are on standby on top of this hopper. We've got just a few more bacon pieces to go. The rest has already been stashed in the holding spot. Okay, so the eggs cooked up pretty quick. Now that they're set, I'm going to let them cook out a little bit on part of this griddle pan. So I just took the scrambled eggs and the bacon off of the grill, and I'm new to using a skillet on a grill. I would say that a slightly lower temperature, I lowered the temperature to 250, gave me some good bacon like this. My initial setting of 300 got it done too fast for me to keep track of, and these are the eggs. So it's breakfast for dinner for here. If you got any questions or comments, hit me up below, and I'll get to them as fast as I can. Have a good night.